Hey everybody, it's Dr. Magnifico from JardsFullVet and Pobly.com. This is me and my dog Storm. He's probably about 8 months old. He was a rescue dog from Hurricane Florence evacuation. So I'm not really sure about his age, but he's had all of his vaccines and he's got all of his adult teeth. So if you look at his mouth, he has lost his baby teeth. So that's a good indication that he's, about 6 months old or older. And today is neuter day. I know lots and lots of people get really worried about spaying and neutering. They're really worried about anesthesia and they're worried about whether or not when to do it, whether it's really necessary, and and then I get the added joy of doing my own pets, which adds another layer of stress to taking care of your pets. But here's usually my advice. Talk to your vet, go over the advantages, the disadvantages of waiting. That includes medical benefits, behavioral benefits, or disadvantages, because those certainly are another thing to talk about, and then the breed associated difficulties that you may have with them. So talk about all of that, and then put a date on the calendar. I really think it's like quitting smoking. You put a date on the calendar, and then you stick with it. So that's what we did. We've actually had this scheduled twice already, but because I have to do other surgeries on other pets, he got bumped on 2 other days. So here he is. He is got his pre-med, so he's sedated and he's getting ready to get his neuter. So hopefully he'll be on and off the table rather quickly, and I can have something checked off my list that makes me very nervous. I love him to pieces, and everybody wants to have their their pet be safe and not take any risks that they don't need, but spaying and neutering is super duper important. I find the earlier that you do it, the better they do, so the less chance of side effects, the less post-operative pain and difficulty they have, and then the less likely you are to procrastinate to not do it. So spay and neuter your dog, put a date on the calendar, decide with your vet what date is best, and then go from there. If you have any questions about spaying and neutering, you can find me here at JardsFullVet or Pobly.com. A spay at our clinic is about $200, somewhere around there. Some of the dogs need some extra stuff, so sometimes it's a little bit more than that, but about $200 is the average cost for a dog neutered at our clinic. Wish him luck. He says, sleepy, sleepy. Bye, everybody.